Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can animate your image in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva app, our desktop version, and don't forget to sign in with your account. Now you can click apps and click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to find animator. Animate your imagination one image at a time. So this app allows you to animate your images and create short videos. So to start, you can click use in new design, and here you have to upload an image or select one in your design to animate it. You can choose file. Maximum file size is a 10 megabyte. Please wait, complex images may take a little longer. So here, if you experiencing this error, you have to subscribe to get priority access, and click this in order to go to official website. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.